Guys, let's see the change. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I am Madhuri. Today's video is how to apply fake eyelashes on our natural lashes properly. This was the very requested video, so without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, I am using a black sketch liner to broaden up my eyeliner. You can skip it, and if you want to see my eye look, you can check out my previous video. This is all about this eye look. Now for fake lashes, I am using the iconic Mink 5D hair eyelashes. This is very natural looking eyelashes, but I will show you another lashes. This is Hilary Rhoda eyelashes. Fake lashes are always greater than your natural eyelash, so cut your eyelash according to your own lash length. If the lashes are not same on both sides, then always cut your lashes from the bigger side to smaller side. Otherwise, it looks unnatural. So be reminded, always cut your lashes from the bigger side. As you can see, I already used this eyelash, and this eyelash is the size of my lash length, so I am using this eyelash. For eyelash glue, I am using the PAC eyelash glue. You can use any eyelash glue which you have already. I am applying the eyelash glue all over my eyelash band, and after that always wait for 10 to 12 seconds. Now taking a eyelash applicator, I am applying this eyelash on my lash line. I am placing the lash on the middle position of my lash length. If you use this proper technique, it will be very easy to set up with your natural lashes. It's all about practice, guys. Always remind, the practice makes perfect. First time I was failed to apply it, but now I am okay with it. Next, I am pressing the both end part of eyelash, and after this I am pressing two lashes together to set up until it will look natural. As you can see, one eye is already completed, so I will show you the next eye again. I can suggest one thing. If you want to practice this process, you can watch this video again and again to be an perfect or to be an expert applying the eyelashes. Honestly, I am comfortable to using my hand, but you can use anything in which you will feel comfortable. There are many branded and non-branded eyelashes in the market, so you can buy any of them according to your own choice. I have many eyelashes. I will show you. First of all, this is the Bepholen Fox Mink lashes, and this is the PAC Cosmetics eyelashes, and next this is the Hilary Rhoda eyelashes, and next is Cal eyelashes. Next, this is from Eyelash. This is a set of eyelashes. If your eyelash is very hard and very straight, then you can fold it in this way. It will match up with your natural lash line. All the eyelash links are listed down in my description box, so you can check out that. If it is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my new videos notification. Also comment below in the comment section. So take care, stay safe, bye bye, love you.